Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I will show you how we can check our website's broken links for free, and it's going to take only 1 to 2 minutes of time. Alright, so first I want to take the copy here, broken link site checker free, and then we have to navigate to Google, and then we have to search broken link site checker free, and then let me hit on enter. And these are the websites we can make and use to check our broken links for free. Out of which I want to make a use of this particular website, and also I have mentioned the same website in the notepad, and I will be pasting this information in the description so that you can make a use of this particular website. So quickly I want to navigate to Chrome, and then I want to click on this particular website, and then I want to hit enter. It takes us to this page. The beauty of this page is it will scan up to 2000 page URLs of our website. All we have to do is we have to navigate to our website, we have to take the copy of our website, and then we have to navigate back to dead link checker, and here we have to paste our website URL. And once it is done, we do have two options, whether to scan the whole website, or maybe if you want to check the broken links only on any particular web page, then we can choose this option. For now I want to scan the entire website. All we have to do is we have to click on check button. It is asking me to enter the code. Let's see if I can enter the code correctly. It is HRASP, and then I want to click on check. Alright, it is very simple. Now we can see the scanning has been started. Here we can see the number of URLs that we have, and here it is showing the percentage, and then it is showing how many URLs are okay without broken links. And if there are any broken links, here we will be able to see that particular information. It is very simple. It will just take probably 20 seconds of time to 1 or 2 minutes of time based on the size of the website and based upon the URLs that are inside the website. Now my website is very new, so probably it is taking 20 to 30 seconds of time. The scan has been completed, and I can see the name of my website 100% scanned, and there are totally 307 URLs, out of which 306 URLs are perfect, and there is only one failed broken links. And here we can see the status of the broken link. It is 405. Method not allowed, and here we can see the URL clickandcapturestudio.com/xml rpc.php. The very good thing is we do not have any broken links which affects the user experience, and we can ignore this particular error message. The very first thing, it will not affect the user experience, and it is completely unrelated to our website's functionality or maybe the content, and also it will not influence the search engine rankings. If we really do not want to see this particular broken link, then we have to block or maybe disable the file rather than leaving it open for potential misuse. But for me, I want to leave it as it is because I have to check a lot of issues. Maybe if my services on my website depends on WordPress mobile app, or maybe on some third-party tools for remote publishing. Like I have to disable this particular file, and then I have to update the Google Search Console. For now, I really do not want to do that because it does not affect the user interface. So it is very simple that we can make an use of the dead linker website. And also if our website is old website, and if we have more than 2000 URLs, and that is the time we have to purchase the plan so that we can use the dead linker checker for n number of URLs. It is very simple. If you have any questions on this particular video, I want you to comment down right below this video. I will answer each and every one of your questions. And also if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I have did 100 plus videos that are related to digital marketing. You can find them on my YouTube channel Edurself in the playlist digital marketing. I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.